Welcome to Natural Healthcare and Wellness. In this video, we will share with you the 5 natural painkillers that really work. Pain can be debilitating, and chronic pain can make coping with daily life difficult. A natural or herbal painkiller may be just the thing to provide some relief. See how 5 powerful and safe natural painkillers that really work can help you live a better life. 1. Cloves. Cloves eugenol essence is a natural pain reliever that can help with headaches, arthritis, and toothaches. For 5 to 10 minutes, apply clove oil or a whole clove to the affected region. If you have a toothache, nothing works better than cloves. To get quick relief, bite a clove or apply clove oil to the gums or affected area. 2. Ginger. Ginger's potent anti-inflammatory effects help to relieve arthritis pain, cramps, and muscular tightness. Apply the ginger pack to the painful area gently for immediate relief. Ginger relieves muscle cramps and pain associated with menstruation right away. To calm and soothe muscles, eat ginger. 3. Curcumin. The anti-inflammatory qualities of the golden spice are significant, and the main ingredient curcumin works as an antibiotic to reduce muscle discomfort and swelling. To relieve discomfort, drink turmeric tea or turmeric milk daily. To gain relief from chronic pains, include turmeric in your daily diet or blend it with milk. 4. Peppermint leaves. Peppermint leaves' powerful analgesics, anti-inflammatory, and spasmodic effects relieve pain and ease muscular spasms. To relieve discomfort, drink peppermint tea or chew a few leaves. Peppermint can help you relax after a long walk or a hard workout at the gym. It works wonders for aching muscles. 5. Ice and heat. Applying heat and ice directly to painful areas is one of the most common home pain treatments. While this treatment may seem self-evident, not everyone is aware of when to use ice and when to utilize heat. Applying an ice pack to minimize swelling and inflammation after a strained muscle, tendon, or ligament can help relieve pain. Heat, interestingly, may assist alleviate the stiffness associated with sprains and strains once the pain has subsided. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. From us, Natural Healthcare and Wellness. Goodbye and see you in the next video.